Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 video, Windows 10 Insider video. My name's Ed, and in this video I want to talk to you about keyboard shortcuts with items in the taskbar. Now, what do I mean? Now, if you're like me and you have all these icons here because you work on a lot of things, you can use shortcuts to actually open them. So how you do this is you press and hold the Windows key, and I'll press 1, and you'll notice that 1 will open Edge. If I to close that and press the Windows key 2 at the same time, it opens up File Explorer. If I do Windows key 3, it opens up the Store. And then obviously Windows key 4 will open up the Feedback Hub, and you get the gist of it. So I haven't tried it with more than 10 or more than 9 icons here so far, but it's normally, if you only have 5 or 6 here, it's very easy to get used to. Instead of you clicking this to open it, normally if you want to open Windows, you could press star 1 2 3 4, so star Windows key 1 2 3 4, and you can see that it's opened up pretty much everything that is in the taskbar. So just another quick tip or trick for you that you can use in Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching.